Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about using the combine, or actually even grouping, but combine. You can group with these, but these you have to combine to get something like this with the interactive fill tool. So these are two different ellipses. I'm going to combine them. I'm going to go to Object and Combine. And then when I get the interactive fill tool, watch what happens. It just does the two parts that are combined, and you can do, put a yellow there and a red up top and do something like that. Now also, I've got 5 ellipses here. I'm going to go to Object and combine them. And here's kind of unique deal. You can use the interactive fill tool, but look what happens when you turn it. It's acting like it's one humongous or a bigger object. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing and put red up top and yellow at the bottom. And when you move your handle, look at that. And then if you move the other round handle, all the way around, you could really manipulate whatever you want to do with it. Now you could do the same thing with a group of circles and just group them together. But on something like this where you're going to combine and make two objects. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.